And with that final scan, the journey is complete. From a freshly harvested purple-green olive arriving on a morning truck to a precisely filled dark green glass bottle of welcome to one of the most advanced olive oil production facilities in operation today. It is in the first trucks of the harvest season are already rolling through the factory gates.
हर शिपमेंट के साथ मुकम्मल कागजात होते हैं जिसमें बाग, फसल की तारीख और हार्वेस्टिंग मेथड लिखा होता है। ये ट्रेसेबिलिटी सिस्टम उसी बाग तक ट्रेस करता है जहां से ये आई।
सब्ज और जामनी जैतून का तनासुब ठीक है।
छिलके की हालात अच्छी लग रही है।
सराउन या खमारी के कोई निशान तो नहीं?
नहीं, ये बेहतर क्वालिटी के हैं, सख्त और साफ।
ठीक है, पास करते हैं।
टेस्ट रिजल्ट्स के मुताबिक फ्रूट कंडीशन और मॉइस्चर लेवल्स एक्सेप्टेबल है। प्रेडिक्टेड ऑयल कंटेंट भी ठीक है। बैच क्लियर है, ग्रीन लाइट भेज रहे हैं। यहाँ क्वालिटी पहले गेट से शुरू होती है।
After the leaves are removed, the olives pass over a series of vibrating grading screens. These undersized fruit falls through the smaller holes and is diversized. This uniformity is key for consistent results. The sized olives now enter the industrial washing system. Freshwater jets create turbulence to clean the olives without bruising them. Floating debris is skimmed away, while heavier contaminants sink to nikalte hain. Immediately after washing, the wet olives pass through a high-pressure air drying tunnel. Rows of powerful blower nozzles direct jets of filtered air across every surface of each olive, removing most moisture within seconds. Clean, dry olives now enter the crushing stage. The machine used here is a hammer mill. Inside, a high-speed drum पर steel hammers हैं. Hammers bar use hotly, tearing the skin and flesh, breaking the pit into fragments. At the hammer mill's exit, the adjustable screen controls particle size. The result is a thick, dark paste with a grainy texture and fresh grassy aroma. Holds the oil, locked in cells, waiting to be liberated. The olive paste is fed into malaxa tanks, where slow-turning augers needed for up to 45 minutes. This malaxation process is crucial, allowing tiny oil droplets to merge, enabling fission ka amal hai. Malaxer tanks are jacketed with a water circuit controlling paste temperature. For it must stay below 27 during cold extraction. For excess or virgin oil, the paste sampler paste to check oil droplet formation. The paste enters the spinning drum. Centrifugal force separates it by density. Oil and water stay near the center. The helical scroll pushes the pomace to the discharge end. The paste enters the spinning drum. Centrifugal force separates it by density. Oil and water stay near the center. The helical scroll pushes the pomace to the discharge end. The scroll sweeps the pomace toward the discharge cone. It exits as a semi-dry cake and falls into the bin below. At the other end, the liquid phase exits through overflow ports. This triggers further centrifugal polishing. The liquid discharge is pumped into the vertical polishing centrifuge. Operating at centrifugal force separates water and solids outward, while purified oil moves inward and exits at the top. As oil flows from the centrifuge, an inline system diverts a precise sample into labeled bottles. Rushed to the lab, a portion is dissolved and titrated to measure free fatty acid content for extra virgin classification. The second rapid test is peroxide value, measuring primary oxidation in the oil. Fresh extra virgin olive oil should be below to indicate oxidation occurred during production or transport. This reveals the oil's chemical health.
Each storage tank is equipped with a nitrogen blanketing system. नाइट्रोजन गैस मुसलसल ऑयल की सतह के ऊपर हेड स्पेस में दाखिल होती है। ये तह ऑक्सीजन को हटाकर एक हिफाजती रुकावट बनाती है।
Each storage tank is equipped with a nitrogen blanketing system. Nitrogen gas displaces oxygen, creating a protective barrier. Pressure relief valves maintain safe internal pressure. The nitrogen blanket quality preservation सबसे maintain करते हैं।
Over the hours and days following tank filling, the golden green oil undergoes natural sedimentation. Fine suspended particles slowly and extend by gravity. The oil above becomes clearer. The settling period is over. The racking process begins, transferring the clarified oil from the settled tank. Inline sensors monitor the oil's clarity. The transfer stops automatically at the first sign of haziness.
Acknowledge.
The racked golden green oil enters the filtration stage using a plate and frame filter press. Under the pressure, it trapping particles and water. The oil emerges brilliant and clear, almost luminous in the factory light. Pressure gauges monitor the rising differential pressure. जब ये लिमिट तक पहुंचता है, press offline हो जाता है. Filter pads are removed and replaced and the press is cleaned. This rotation ensures continuous filtration.
Before bottling, we perform a full quality analysis.
We use spectrophotometry for K232 and K270 values. These numbers show
High wax indicates adulteration.
Fruitiness is intense and clear. Sharp bitterness and a clean pungency at the back. बिल्कुल और कोई defect नहीं है. Extra virgin के लिए perfect. The oil moves through insulated pipes to the bottling hall. Especially dark green glass bottles arrive on pallets. The dark green color is functional, blocking light that causes oil to degrade. The automatic depalletizer lifts a layer of dark green glass bottles from the pallet, but the balls are transferred to the air suspended and moved by air. They travel smoothly and upright to the first filling station. Capped dark green bottles pass under the induction sealing head. An electromagnetic field induces eddy currents in the foil liner, heating and fusing it to the bottle's rim to create an airtight, tamper-evident seal without contact.
The checkware measures each sealed case's weight in real time. हर sealed case का weight scale तुरंत measure करता है. जो cases tolerance से बाहर हैं, rejection gate उन्हें divert कर देता है.
A printed label is applied to the pallet. The scanner reads the barcode. The AGG transports the pallet. The system logs the details. Every pallet is placed under a mandatory quality hold. A hold period allows the quality team to review analytical results. This includes the gas chromatographic fatty acid profile and sterile composition analysis, the definitive test for authenticity verification. Analytical review complete. All parameters within spec. Issuing formal digital release. Hold status lifting. Green and gold cases are now fully cleared and verified. Ready for dispatch. Stock allocation confirmed. Moving pallets to outbound staging. Quality result मिलने के बाद से stock allocate कर रहा है. Scanning scan हो गया. Identity further. Green and gold cases ready for dispatch. Preloading inspection, checking cleanliness and pre-cooling. Compartments are clean and dry. Temperature is 2.5 degrees Celsius within range. This vehicle passes inspection and is authorized for loading. As each pallet is loaded, a final scan is taken. This confirms the pallet's departure from the facility. A complete set of shipping documentation is generated. This includes delivery notes and certificates of conformity. And with that final scan, the journey is complete. From a freshly harvested purple-green olive arriving on a morning truck to a precisely filled dark green glass bottle of